Thank you for joining me. A lot of accounts has been hacked in the last few months, few years right now, and this keep repeating itself, this keep happening. So I actually make this particular video for us to know some steps we can actually take. If you have witnessed this, it's going to be good for you, and if you are here to witness, and I pray you're not going to witness this, so follow this particular step to actually go ahead and stay safe in your investment platform. So this particular method also go along with any of your wallet exchanges right here, any of your wallets. So I'm going to be using this particular trust wallet for an example of this at this particular point in time. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is currently airdrop. So I'm going to click on this right here. If you actually remember, sometimes we have the airdrop for MetaMask that was actually pumping out, many people actually going, and we are going to be having a lot of airdrop that will still come out right there. It is something that is normal for crypto holders right here. Airdrop will keep coming. So to actually stay safe and not losing your main money just because of you joining an airdrop platform, all you need to do is to create a separate account. Many people actually make this particular mistake trying to create one account using the main portfolio also for airdrop, and most of these airdrops are always scam. Most of these airdrop, not all, they're actually not well reliable. They actually go up to actually come right to scam people right there. So for you to know the one that is actually good or not, you need to just have a special wallet for airdrop that is actually different from your this main wallet right now. And to do that, trust wallet actually make this very easy. You can currently click on settings. So once you click on this particular side of settings, then you can actually select multiple of coins, multiple of wallets inside a wallet right here. So this is currently working on trust wallets. That is why I use this particular method to do this. So another area you can actually get safe is currently keeping your code, your trust code, very important. Like trying to keep it in a special way right here. So the first thing that actually got your attention to this video was the thumbnail. We actually list out the threat code for trust wallet right there. That particular threat code are actually working. If you actually click on it, write it down, try to look for a wallet and click on it, you are going to be seeing it that it's currently working, and there's some amount on that. So these are other way they're actually using to make people fall into temptation right there, because when you actually input all these particular details into your phone, it actually sometimes get access to your main data right now, and that can actually give them the access to locking your phone at this particular point in time. So I'm going to be opening the balance of this particular demo account. As you can see, we have about 0.64 naira right now because this was currently hacked, and that is why I made a video about this, so you can all benefit from it. As a friend also benefited from it, because this has actually happened for a very long time. So I'm actually still using this particular method to be teaching everybody so that you can all benefit on this. I've made a video about this a quite lot of time, so I think this is an important update that needs to be pushed out to the media, to everyone right now. That is why I'm trying making this on this again. All right, so the third area we're going to be working on is getting updated. Like, try to update all your wallets every time. Like once an update is out, for you to update your wallet, just go ahead to make the update, because this is going to be helping and trying to go up in a long way for the crypto aspect to boost up right here. So many areas we have to talk about, right here, but remember, this is not a financial advice though. This is for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to make your own personal research. Always remember to invest wisely and try to invest the amount you can afford to lose.